SuiteProjet is more than just a project management software. With nearly 7,000 users, the software is one of the French market leaders. Many companies, large and small across all industries, trust SuiteProjet because it is a pragmatic, intuitive and comprehensive software. Over the years, SuiteProjet has evolved a lot on its sleek design, on features with high added value, and on its ability to be customized. Today, SuiteProjet is still moving forward and always bends over backward to perfectly meet your needs. Are you looking for a business solution to manage your project portfolio and want to incur a true project culture? SuiteProjet Premium is the one for you, a comprehensive and integrated PPM solution for PMOs. If you are looking for a turnkey project management solution compatible with your profile, SuiteProjet Freemium is the one for you. The hybrid solution simple and free to simplify your project management. Whether it's SuiteProjet Premium or SuiteProjet Freemium, opt for a major ally in your project. Test our solution according to your profile on suiteprojetdemo.com. Try SuiteProjet, you will enjoy it. Icar, your pure project player publisher for more than 10 years.